Okay, here's another short for block prep. I didn't take this block to the machine shop because it was pretty fresh already. There's basically nothing to do, even honing. I might just pop through it with the hone just to break some glaze, and that's it, because it's only got like maybe 1,500 miles on it since it was last rebuilt. But one thing I always do is I chase the threads where the head bolts are going to go, and for the main caps as well. So that's just because you put thread sealer on these in a small block Chevy, because they're on a stock block, they're open through to the water jackets, so you got to use thread sealer on them. So they're all gummy with thread sealer. So if you haven't taken it to the machine shop, then you want to get rid of that guck in there. So like everything else is really good looking, so it's pretty much ready to go. Now I'll just blow it all out. I got some little bits of gunk kicking around. So that's what I'm doing. It's all stuff that takes time. That's the best thing you can do, is just take your time and do each step and make things as clean as possible. So, and that'll affect your torque too if you got some gummy, goopy, old thread sealer jammed in here, and it may not seal properly either. Then you get coolant leaking up through your head studs or bolts, whatever you're using. So that's important. I'm not gonna block fill this block, not just yet, because I don't plan on spraying it this year. If I do end up spraying it this year, well, then it's gonna come out. But if it progresses that quickly, then yes, I'll be pulling it out anyway, because I'll be pulling the heads off it then too, and changing the cam. So I'll be going bigger cam, and that means new valve springs, and yeah, that's the snowball, and probably different push rods, and blah 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 blah. But that's anyway. Yes, on to this. Chase the threads out. Chase them all, get the guck out of them. It's an important step. Even if you have taken the block to the machine shop, just chase the threads. Make sure there's not any bent threads or damaged threads or anything. You know, especially if it's an old block. If it's a brand new block, but even still, it's easy to do. And just rip through and change and chase the threads. And that's what I'm doing. Yay. It's all a bunch of tedious little steps that add up. Everything adds up.